Hey guys, just want to touch base with you real quick on the homework for tonight. There was one that was really unlike any of the ones that we did in the notes. So I was going to get you started with how to write this one. So it's talking about number 6, which will then also lead to number 7 because they're related to each other. We have Braden owns an art gallery and charges an entry fee of $15 per person. It costs him $600 a day in employee salaries and utilities plus $5 per person to run the tours through the gallery. What is the least number of patrons Braden needs each day so he earns a profit? So kind of the first thing you have to know is a profit is when you make more money than you spend. So we're kind of looking in, what we want to look for is what we're making and what we're spending in this problem. So when we look at this, we have for people to come into his gallery, it's $15 per person. That's the money he's making. This is what he's earning. Okay? It costs him $600 a day for employee salaries and utilities, and it also costs him $5 per person to run the tour. So his costs are $600 each day plus the $5 per tour per person for the tour, and we don't know how many people that is. So we're going to say $5 times the number of people who actually take the tour. So these are his costs. So his costs need to be less than what he earns. Okay. We don't know how many people are going to come into his gallery. That's really what we're trying to find out. So, but it's $15 times the number of people. So we're going to take this information and we're going to create this inequality that we can then solve. So I'm going to define my variable that P stands for the people coming to his art gallery, okay? And then we have his costs, $600 a day, plus $5 per person for the tour. All of those costs need to be less than the amount of money he brings in, which is the $15 per person. Okay. From here, you're going to solve it and graph it. Just like we've been doing, just take special note. There's P's on both sides, so you need to get them all on the same side. So when you want to solve this one. This leads to number 7. Number 7 says we're going to look at using the information from number 6 again. What is the least number of patrons Braden needs each day if he wants a profit of at least $300? So here, this is any profit. Here I want $300 profit. So I need to make more money. Okay? So where we can put this in is instead of it being $600 a day in cost, I'm going to say it's $900 a day, which is the $600 from it here plus the added $300 that I want to make sure I get. Okay? And then it's still $5 per person. And all of that, I'm going to say, needs to be less than the $15 per person. And then that way, this kind of builds my $300 profit in. So hopefully that will help you with this. The rest of these are pretty straightforward. And hopefully you can at least solve them. And we will talk about them tomorrow during class. See you tomorrow.